because when you look, at history, when you become a student of these trends and periods in time, you start to realize that whenever society starts to go too far in one direction, let's say like the reductionist thinking of, the scientific revolution, or you look at something like the late 1800s, where globally there became this phenomenon where people became just taken by this spirit of the occult and investigating, spiritualism, and people would have seances and all this stuff. And you can't explain what's going on there aside from that this idea that the pendulum swung too far in one direction, and now people were course correcting, that they felt a need from kind of a collective depth, in a sense, and this was a global thing. So, if we have a very narrow present moment view of what's going on in the world, we can have, some red flags come up. But I think there's more always at play in what Jung would call the collective unconscious. That there's these swings and these currents that we're not aware of, that in many ways guide cultures in certain directions. And so today, that what can be seen in these guises is people's interests in ceremonial magic, in Western esotericism, in alchemy, in everything from Freemasonry to Rosicrucianism and secret societies, that every once in a while someone hears about it and they're like, okay, what's this? Let me look this up. And just this, of course, New Age is included in that too. So those undercurrents, I think, are always there. And when people who are intuitive and sensitive enough start to feel their lack, they start to find them again,